Question 5 says the function h of the two variables a and b is defined by h of a comma b equals 5a plus 4b minus 3ab. What is h of 2 comma negative 3? So let's start with a simpler example to make sure we understand the process and then apply it to this slightly more complicated version of it. So if you've learned this before, it's probably been in the context of f of x equals, let's say, x squared plus 3x. So then if we have f of 3, all that you're doing is replacing your x's with 3, right? So here we have x, and now we have 3. So we do the same thing everywhere else in this equation. So there's an x that we're squaring up here, and now we're going to take that x and make it a 3, square it, plus 3, and now again instead of x, we write 3. So we're just plugging in 3 for all of the x's that we have in our original equation. So then what we end up with is f of 3 equals 9 plus 9, or f of 3 equals 18. Alright, so we're going to apply this same concept now with two different variables, but it's exactly the same process. Not any more complicated, just you end up doing it twice. So I'll erase this and work on this original equation. Alright, so here they give us h of a comma b equals 5a plus 4b minus 3ab, and it asks for h of 2, negative 3. So now everywhere that there is an a, we're plugging in 2, and everywhere there's a b, we plug in negative 3. So 5 times, now this a becomes 2, plus 4 times, and that b becomes negative 3, minus 3 times a becomes 2, and b becomes negative 3. So then 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, and negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, times negative 3 will be positive 18. So 10 minus 12 gives us negative 2, plus 18 will be 16. And the answer that matches up to that is E, 16.